Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix a payment failed error on the Subway app. First, start by checking your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt payment processing, so make sure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Next, ensure your payment method is up to date. Go to the Subway app, tap on your profile or account icon, then select Payment Methods. Double check that your credit or debit card information is correct and hasn't expired. If everything looks fine but you're still getting an error, try clearing the app cache and data. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Subway, Storage, then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. For iPhone, you may need to delete and reinstall the app to refresh it completely. After doing this, log back in and try making the payment again. Another tip is to confirm that your bank hasn't blocked the transaction. Sometimes banks flag app payments as suspicious. You can quickly call your bank or check your online banking app to resolve any holds. Finally, make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Updates often include important bug fixes for payment issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix payment failed error and enjoy your Subway meal without any more hassle. Thanks for watching.